So guys, alright, back in the truck, heading back to Indianapolis now. Talked to Joe and his guys there at the shop. Had a great time. They liked the car. The Malibu is actually really clean. I was really impressed with how clean it was when I got it, because I bought it in Ohio thinking, you know, it was going to be the typical Midwest car, especially in a Rust Belt that you know, had a bucket of filler on each panel, and you know, just in bad condition all around. But surprisingly, the car is not originally from Ohio. I want to say it's somewhere down south or out west. It doesn't have the rear defrost in the window, and normally when I purchase cars from down south that are originally from down south, they don't have an option. They don't have the rear defrost in the window. It's just all glass. So so when I saw that along with the Red's hydraulics, I'm like, you know, this is the best of both worlds here. This is good. So definitely excited to see what pops up next for the build. Got some great parts that I ordered from Black Magic Hydraulics. Thanks a lot, guys, for those parts. They look great. I didn't take everything out the box because I didn't want to lose anything or have anything fall out the box before getting it over to Joe at the shop. So we'll be checking that stuff out as he pulls it out, and going through, you know, quality and fitment and everything like that. But from what I could see so far, the stuff looks amazing. It looks great. So I'm really excited about putting this stuff in the car and having some fun for 2019. This is great. I'm really excited. So I know a lot of people are like, you know, well, why aren't you doing this yourself? You know, real lowriders build it at home and do this and do that themselves. And I understand. I've been there. But since I've been married and have a kid now, and my job is very demanding, I don't have time for it. So I got to make sure that I separate my wants from my needs and make sure, you know, the family's taken care of, the family's got everything they need, and go from there. So you know, I'll jump back into having some more garage time when I get some free time. But right now there's just too much stuff going on to dedicate my weekends or my evenings to working on the cars in the garage. So I was really happy to you know, drive the 8 hours to drop off the Malibu to Joe, because, you know, it's very clear that him and his guys there at the shop, they like what they do, they're passionate about what they do, they definitely care about, you know, making sure they meet the customer's expectations or exceed them. So I'm okay with, you know, having these guys work on the car, do these upgrades. You know, it's I feel reassured. I feel very comfortable. You know, and I wouldn't mind doing more business with them on other vehicles when we get this done. So definitely looking forward to the build on the Malibu. So make sure you subscribe and you know, you like the videos, because it's definitely going to help me create more content for you guys and make sure that I provide the stuff that you need and that you want to see on the channel. So you know, if you have any questions on any of this stuff along the way, please comment in the comment section. I'll do my best to answer those questions for you in a timely manner. But yeah, there's gonna be a lot of vehicles coming up on the channel. And they're my personal vehicles, so they're not like friends or families or somebody coming by to show their car off. Eventually we'll probably get to that point, but I think I have enough vehicles to kind of keep the channel alive for quite some time. So so looking forward to going through the stuff with you guys. There's, to name a few, there's a GMC Cyclone LS swapped, still all-wheel drive, still turbocharged. Ford Excursion, it's a 2001 4x4 7.3 93 Ford Mustang. I'm doing a 5.0 swap on that. A 2010 Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT 8. I'm 99% sure I want to do a supercharger on this. I know turbo's going to be faster and quicker and all that stuff and make more power, but I'm going to use the Cyclone as the powerhouse. I want to keep the Jeep reliable, mainly because that's going to have the family in it, so I don't want that to be too crazy. Still want to be able to make it to the grocery store and back without catching something on fire because the turbo was too big for the engine compartment and blew something up. So anyway, definitely going to make sure that we get the content that you guys want on here. So again, please like and subscribe. Let me know what it is that you want to see on these builds, or if there's an area that you got some questions on, please, again, make sure you ask. I'd be more than happy to answer those questions for you. There's going to be a lot of content covered on the channels, so looking forward to building this stuff for you guys, and working on the different projects and just kind of seeing how everything goes. So again, shout out to Black Magic Hydraulics. I got some parts from Hoppos. Shout out to you guys, and shout out to Joe, of course, and the guys at the shop there. Great meeting you guys today. Great talking to you, and looking forward to the finished product on this Malibu. So there's definitely going to be more to come with other vehicles. Joe and I were talking today about something on the Excursion that I'd like to do. So we're going to probably tackle that right after the Malibu gets done, and try to see what else. I think that might be it for now. Trying to get everything ready for 2 shows really for 2019. The Woodward Dream Cruise, and then also the 4x4 Jamboree in Indianapolis. So if you guys are going to be in town for that, or if you're going to be in the Woodward Dream Cruise, be sure to keep an eye out for me. I'd love to meet you guys, and you know, check out your rides too, see what you got, and just have some fun. So all right guys, we'll talk to you soon. Have a good day, and again, please like and comment and subscribe so I can keep this stuff going for you guys. Alrighty, have a good day. Bye bye.